Hello, my friends. I'm teacher Thiago. If you want to improve your English while listening to interesting history, you are in the right place. You can listen to me while you read the subtitles to improve your reading, or if you prefer, you can listen while you do something else. The important thing is to understand the history and improve your English. Today, we will talk about Goku, one of the most famous and beloved characters in anime history. If you do not know him, do not worry. Today, you will learn who he is, where he comes from, what makes him special, and why so many people around the world love his history. And before we begin, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. That helps a lot and support more easy English histories like this one. Now, let's start. Goku is the main character of Dragon Ball. At first, he looks like a simple boy. He has wild black hair, a monkey tail, and a lot of energy. He lives in the mountains and knows very little about the world. He is innocent, honest, cheerful, and very strong. From the beginning, Goku is different from other children. He can fight, he can move fast, he can survive alone in nature. But the most important thing about him is not only his power, it is his heart. Goku has a pure heart. He is strong, but he is not cruel. He loves fighting, but not because he loves violence. He loves challenge, he loves growth, he loves becoming better. That is one of the reasons why so many people admire him. When Goku was a baby, he was found by an old man named Gohan. Gohan raised him with kindness and taught him good values. Because of that, Goku grew up as a good person. This part of the history is very beautiful. It reminds us that family is not only about blood. Sometimes family is the person who loves you, teaches you, and helps you become who you are. One day, Goku meets a girl named Bulma. This meeting changed his life forever. Bulma is searching for the Dragon Balls, magical objects that can summon a dragon who grants wishes. Goku has one of those Dragon Balls, so he joins her on the journey. This is the real beginning of his adventure. Before Bulma, Goku knew only the mountains. After Bulma, he begins to know the world. He meets friends, he faces danger, he learns new things, he starts to understand that life is much bigger than he imagined. During this journey, Goku meets many important people. He meets Master Roshi, a famous martial arts teacher. He meets Krillin, who becomes one of his best friends. He also meets many other characters who help shape his future. Little by little, Goku's world becomes bigger and his history becomes more exciting. One of the most important parts of Goku's life is training. Goku is always training. He never thinks he is strong enough forever. Even after victories, he continues to work. Even after becoming powerful, he still wants to improve. This is one of the best things about his character. He teaches us that talent is important, but effort is important too. Discipline matters, practice matters, growth matters, and after all of this, Goku trains hard and enters in martial arts tournaments. This tournament shows his evolution. At first, he is only a wild boy with natural strengths, but little by little, he becomes a real martial artist. He learns skills, he learns control, he learns strategy, and as he grows older, his history becomes deeper. Later, Goku learns a shocking truth. He's not from Earth. He's actually a Saiyan, a warrior from another planet. His real Saiyan name is Kakarot. This changed everything. Now we understand why Goku is so strong. Now we understand why he's different. But what makes Goku special is this. Even after learning the truth, he does not become evil. He does not let his origin control his heart. He chose his own path. He chose to protect Earth. He chooses to protect the people he loves. That is a very powerful message. Where you come from matters, yes, but your choices matter even more. One of the first major enemies connected to Goku's past is his brother Raditz. Raditz comes to Earth and tells Goku the truth about being a Saiyan. This moment is very important. Goku understands that his life is bigger and more complicated than he believed. But even in that moment, he does not choose destruction. He chooses to defend his home. After that, stronger enemies arrive. Vegeta comes, Nappa comes, and the history grows even more. Vegeta becomes one of the most important people in Goku's life. At first, Vegeta is proud, angry, and cruel. He sees Goku as a rival. He cannot accept that Goku keeps growing stronger, and that is exactly why the rivalry becomes so legendary. Goku and Vegeta are very different. Goku fights for challenge, growth, and protection. Vegeta fights for pride and victory. But over time, both push each other to become stronger. Their rivalry becomes one of the best parts of Dragon Ball. Another huge moment in Goku's history happens when he fights Frieza. Frieza is one of the most famous villains in anime. He's cruel, cold, and extremely powerful. He hurts innocent people, he destroys lives, and he causes deep pain. During this battle, Goku reaches one of the most iconic moments in anime history. He becomes a Super Saiyan. His hair becomes golden, his power explodes, and for the first time, we see Goku filled with a powerful and serious anger. This transformation is not important only because it's looking amazing. It is important because it means something deeper. It shows pain, justice, and love coming together. It shows what happens when a gentle person is pushed too far, and it becomes one of the greatest moments in his journey. After that, Goku continues to face even stronger enemies. He fights androids, he fights Cell, he fights Majin Buu. Again and again, danger appears. Again and again, people are afraid. And again, Goku keeps moving forward. And that does not mean everything is easy for him. Sometimes he loses, sometimes he suffers, sometimes he makes mistakes, but he always get up again. That is one of the most inspiring things about him. His power is impressive, yes, but his spirit is even more impressive. He keeps trying, he keeps believing, he keeps fighting. And one important part of Goku's history is his connection with other people. He is not alone. He has friends, rivals, teachers, and family. He cares deeply about people like Krillin, Bulma, Master Roshi, Piccolo, and even Vegeta. He also loves his family. He loves Chi-Chi, he loves Gohan, he loves Goten, and sometimes Goku is not a perfect father in a normal way because he spends so much time training and fighting. But he cares deeply and his loves for others is real. This relationship makes his history richer. They show us that even the strongest hero can still need people around him. And by the way, if you want to become stronger in English little by little, like Goku becomes stronger in every battle, what about checking out our curiosity books in easy English? They are great for improving your English while you learn something new and interesting at the same time. And the best part is that they cost less than a cup of coffee. Yeah, less than a cup of coffee. So, if you want to learn in a fun, simple, and smart way, our books may be perfect for you. Now, let's continue with Goku's history. Another reason people love Goku is because he is simple in the best way. He's honest, he's direct, he's not fake, he enjoys food, he enjoys training, he enjoys life. Even when the history becomes serious, Goku still brings energy and hope. He reminds people that courage does not need to be dark. Sometimes courage can smile. Sometimes courage can be joyful. In Dragon Ball Super, we continue to see Goku searching for new limits. Even after everything he has done, he still wants to grow. He trains with gods, he reaches new forms, he faces enemies from other universes, but inside, he remains the same person. He still loves challenge, he still protects others, he still gets excited about becoming better. That is one reason why fans stay connected to him for so many years. Goku also teach us something important about competition. He has rivals, but he does not always hate them. Sometimes he respects them. Sometimes he even helps them grow. This is very clear in his relationship with Vegeta. Their rivalry is intense, but it also helps both of them becomes better. Goku shows us that a rival is not always just an enemy. Sometimes a rival helps you become your best self. If we look at Goku's whole journey, we see much more than fights and transformation. We see courage, we see discipline, we see loyalty, we see growth. We see someone who never stops trying. That is why Goku inspires so many people. He is not just powerful, he is determined, he is cheerful, he is brave, he is loyal. He may come from another planet, but his heart feels very human. He makes mistakes, he learns, he falls, he rises. And every time he rises, he shows the power of perseverance. Goku teach us that being strong is not only about muscle or fighting skills. It is also about heart. It is about standing up again. It is about protecting others. It is about continue even when life becomes difficult. That is what makes him unforgettable. If you are meeting Goku for the first time today, now you know why the world love him so much. He's more than a fighter. He's more than a hero. He's a symbol of courage, friendship, effort, and hope. He starts a simple boy in the mountains. He becomes a protector of Earth. He faces powerful enemies. He discovers the truth about himself. And even after all of that, he keeps the same pure heart. That is why Goku is a legend. And thank you for being here with me today. If you enjoyed this history, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay with us for more slow English histories. And if you want to improve your English in a fun and easy way, remember to check out our curiosity books too. You can learn English, learn something new, and enjoy the process at the same time. See you in the next history. Bye bye.